Welcome back to Bartlett Arborist Supply. Today we're going to be highlighting FTC's Matriosac throw line bag. The biggest benefit that I see with this bag, I have been a die-hard square cube fan for ages. Downside to that is storage. A lot of times you get the pins popping out, things of that nature. What I love about FTC's throw line kits is that I'm able to store it down in my gear bag because it's cylinder, similar to my bag dependent obviously. But it stores there. I'm not dealing with tangling as long as I have the throw weights captured within. Pop the straps on the side and unzip the top. And I'm able to carry two kits at once. Pull it out, and now I'm ready to throw. They have little tabs on the inside here to hold one of your throw weights up. And in the bottom, there's a Velcro strip for you to pass another one down below so that it's not tangling. And from there, you're ready to throw. Hopefully you enjoyed that product highlight. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, bartlettman.com. Have a good day.